Well, let's go ahead and take a look at what is shaping up to be our weekend forecast, because another active pattern is heading our way. And so we're keeping a close eye on what's pushing out of Idaho and up into portions of Montana and the upper plains, and that's going to work its way towards the Great Lakes over the next 24 hours. And so by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, that system is pushing over portions of lower Michigan that'll bring accumulating snow, but it will also interact with another system that is to our south. And so that's going to play a role in how much snow we end up seeing across portions of Metro Detroit. In the meantime, though, as we're taking a look at satellite and radar, high pressure that's sandwiched between Minneapolis and Omaha will continue to trickle our way. That's going to bring us a little bit of sunshine mixed with clouds today and a drier day in between what was an icy start yesterday and what will be a snowy end to your Saturday. So temperatures right now in the teens, one exception, well, two exceptions really. Sandusky's at 25, but City Airport reporting 20 degrees. But it doesn't even feel like the teens out there. We still have breezy conditions, though. This has certainly been improving since we joined you at 4:30, and we're no longer under a wind advisory like some areas were throughout the overnight, but 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts out of the northwest, making it feel like single digits. We still have a sub-zero reading, and that's in Sandusky, feeling like 1 below zero and feeling like 0 in Pontiac, but the rest of us pretty much in the low to mid single digits to start your day. So those winds will be tapering off. We'll have calmer conditions into the afternoon, and that translates to those temperatures feeling closer to the actual air temperature. So there's a bigger difference this morning because of those winds, but you'll see how that feels like temperature gets awfully close to the air temperature throughout the afternoon hours just due to the lack of wind. Forewarned weather alert has been issued for Saturday evening due to some snow that's heading our way. Temperatures only top out around 30, so it does appear that we'll be in the colder area of this system, but it's two systems that will be interacting, and they kind of merge right by Metro Detroit. So let's show you what we're talking about. This first round of high resolution data I feel like is a little flawed, and I'll tell you why. So at the onset of this, it looks like it's pulling in some rain around 12:30. We're likely sitting right around, if not just below, the freezing mark, so this would probably be more snow. And then as we go into the evening, it's pulling in that wintry mix as far north as Novi. Some of the long-range data keeps that south of the state line into Ohio. So there's this uncertainty of what kind of precipitation we're going to see with this high-resolution model coming in, then changing that over to snow as we head in the evening. A lot of this out of here by 10. I do think the time frame of getting this out of here by 10 p.m. is spot on. But I like how this solution is, because you see the colder system to our north, the warmer system to the south. Now, as we get towards 4 p.m. Saturday, this is going to begin to merge. And watch what happens heading into the evening. That wintry mix is just south of the state line. But there's also this weaker little band here that pushes across portions of Metro Detroit with the greater snowfall totals up into the thumb area. If this solution was to verify, this is what we're looking at. Those greater totals upward of 3 inches along and north of I-69. And we potentially would have a little more snow south of I-94, because this is the band that was a bit weaker, spitting out less snow. And then that wintry mix would stay south of the state line. So I'm going to say 1 to 3 inches across the area with localized totals higher into the thumb. That's how it stands now, and we're going to be keeping a very close eye on new runs that come in so we can really hone in on this. But forewarned weather alert just due to some tricky travel with that snow falling into the evening on Saturday. Otherwise, a few flurries lingering Sunday. We'll start around 30 on Monday, but then falling below average going into your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Highs only in the mid to upper 20s with another chance for snow late Wednesday.